Let's calculate when multiple year gross profit rates are given. Then how to calculate amount of climb and also how to compute memorandum trading account. In this scenario, when the multiple gross profit rates are given, then we have to calculate average gross profit based on that. So there is no required to go with step 1, which is preparation of last year trading account. Moving to step 2, calculation of average rate of gross profit on sales. Here, gross profit on sales during the last 5 years was 30%, 31%, 32%, 30%, and 32% is given directly. So we have to calculate average. So by adding all these 5 years gross profit and divide it by number of years, that is 5, then we get average gross profit rate, which is 31%. Now compute let's prepare memorandum trading account. Opening stock is 1,20,000, 1,20,000. Purchases 5,10,000, 5,10,000. Sales 5,80,000, 5,80,000. Then gross profit is 31% is equals to sales into 31%. Then let's close the accounts by balancing. Is equals to total minus sales. If it is there any other income sources, then we have to deduct that. 2,29,800 is a stock on the date of fire. 2,29,800. Salvage, here it is given 7,500. The salvage was taken at the agreed valuation of 7,500. 7,500. Is there any fire extinguishing expenses incurred by the? There is no such expenses incurred. Stock on the date of fire minus salvage plus if there is any fire extinguishing expenses is 2,22,300. Now before computing to amount of claim, we should check it is overvalued or undervalued or fully insured. Fully insured or overinsured or underinsured. These are the two categories we have to check. In this particular problem, there is no such information available. Assuming that it is fully insured, then amount of claim will be the amount of claim will be the amount of actual loss, which is equals to 22,300 will be the amount of claim. Then Then in this particular problem there is here work out the fire insurance claim, which we have found that claim of claim amount claim amount will be the actual loss is equals to actual loss, which is 2,22,300. Then and also show the salvage stock account, because here it is the adjustment given. Based on this we have to prepare salvage stock account. So loss on the loss of loss of stock by fire is 7,500, which is agreed value. Then the salvage stock was renovated by and made fit for the sale at a cost of 4,000, which is uh, destroyed stock, damaged stock. They have incurred 4,000 to repair it and make it fit for sale. So these expenses will be debited by bank account 4,000, and which is sold. A part of this stock was sold at 13,000. Sold 13,000 and balance was 2,000, and the balance was valued at 2,000. Then loss from salvage is equals to total minus all the expenses. Is equals to 15,000 minus 7,500 minus 4,000. 3,500 is transferred to P&L account, stating that is a loss from salvage account.